How to add line breaks to your Instagram bio. Let's get started. If you're looking to make your Instagram bio stand out by adding spaces or line breaks for a cleaner, more organized look, you are in the right place. Let's dive in. Launch your Instagram app. You'll land to the homepage. Now navigate to the profile page. Once you're on the profile page, you'll find the option of edit profile over here. Click on it. Different options will appear. Click on the option of bio. Now type in anything you would like to add to your bio. Now, how can you create a new line? If you just click on this option of space, it's gonna take a lot of time. So what you have to do is click on this option of written given over here. With that, a new line will be created. Now I can add anything or add any symbol. Again, to create a new line, click on the option of return and then you can type in. Once you're done with your bio, click on done. Now you can head back. With that, your bio will be updated. So this way you can easily add line breaks to your Instagram bio. This was really simple and quick process. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.